The new Planned Parenthood location in Ontario, Oregon is open today, but it won't last long. They're calling this a soft opening. Planned Parenthood started leasing the building in Ontario last spring, and they don't expect it to be fully operational for a few months. Andrew Bartline talked with Planned Parenthood today about the new location. Andrew, how long will the soft opening last?
Well, after today, the clinic will not take patients in again until March 21st. To March 23rd. So it'll be another week and a half until the next wave of patients can be seen at that location. Planned Parenthood says the soft opening is to provide people with health care, but operationally, it's so their new staff can train and learn. Planned Parenthood says their staff is all certified for the positions they are hired to work, and this new location has also gotten a lot of attention ever since the United States Supreme Court overruled Roe versus Wade through the Dobbs decision. Under Idaho law, abortion is illegal, except for the case of rape, incest, or to save the mother's life. Just across the street from Planned Parenthood in Ontario, Stanton Healthcare parked their mobile clinic today. Stanton does not provide abortions, and they advocate for women to keep their pregnancies.
The culture thinks that unless you're in the perfect circumstances with a planned pregnancy, that abortion is the obvious solution. And it's not a solution, and so of course we're going to be here. That's why we have our mobile clinic, so that we can be where we're needed.
Stanton calls their clinic life-affirming care, where they provide free health care and resources to mothers facing an unexpected pregnancy. It's an 18-month program through the pregnancy, and then of course 9 months after birth at the minimum, I should say. Their Director of Community Outreach, Linda Thomas, says the demand for their services at Stanton has increased by 25% since Dobbs, but Planned Parenthood says they're not pushing abortion on anyone. Here's a statement Planned Parenthood gave KTVB. It says, as part of their appointments, patients talk with their providers and are presented with all of their options. We trust our patients to make the best decision for themselves, their circumstances, and their families. Planned Parenthood's website shows the closest clinic to Boise to legally receive an abortion is 4 hours away in Walla Walla, Washington. There's another 5.5-hour drive option to Bend, Oregon. So this new Ontario clinic will put abortion services right on the border to be a convenience to anyone in the Treasure Valley. Additionally, there is a bill in the Idaho State Legislature that's looking to regulate minors crossing the border to receive an abortion. Specifically, it's House Bill 242. It would make it illegal to drive a minor outside of Idaho to get an abortion if you are not the parent and don't have the parent's permission. The crime is called abortion trafficking. House Bill 242 passed the House. Planned Parenthood opposes the bill because they say not all young people have strong and healthy relationships with their parents. Planned Parenthood also, Shira, does not know when this Ontario clinic will officially open permanently, but they expect it to be sometime in the spring, so in the next few months at the least.
All right, Andrew Bartline, thank you.